Hi, my name is Tristan Cascone. I am part of the Granola Boys senior design team at San Diego State University, and our project is the Smart Granola Kiosk. On the team with me is Anthony, Tommy, Miles, and Austin, and today I'll be taking you through our project, kind of how it works, and hopefully answer some questions. So our sponsor for this project was D&K Engineering. Um, and they tasked us with the idea of trying to help them create a kiosk that would be put in a grocery store, such as Whole Foods, for example. A customer could then go up to this kiosk and it would have some sort of user interface, most likely a touchscreen, that the customer could then select the mix-ins that they would like. For our project, we had four mix-ins. These were sunflower seeds, cranberries, chocolate chips, and sliced almonds. The customer could then choose all four or any one of these, depending on their taste and what they liked, and mix it in with the base granola that is already in the machine. The machine would then dispense and mix these ingredients together into one custom granola that would then be dispensed into a bag that the customer could take to the front of the store and then pay for at the checkout. So over here we have what the kiosk would look like. On the left, we have what the kiosk looks like and a little bit of the inside, some of the components that go into it. And then on the right, we have the same kiosk, but in an exploded view so that it's a little bit easier to see. We focused on three main systems that we really worked on. This was the storage, the measuring, and the mixing subsystem. Um, and I'll go into the next slide a little bit how each one of these systems works and how they produce the actual granola and then dispense it into the bag. So over here on the left, we have our storage subsystem. We created these sheet metal boxes that would hold the granola and each one of the mix-ins as well. The granola box was actually a lot bigger than the mix-ins because a lot more granola is needed than the mix-ins to create each custom granola mixture. All of these were stainless steel and ensured that they were food safe as well. And basically, what would happen is these would sit on top of this measuring and dispensing subsystem and sort of feed the granola and each one of the ingredients just by gravity into that dispensing wheel there. So every time there was an order, these dispensing wheels are already pre-measured, so the depth of each dispensing wheel is different for every single ingredient. And let's say somebody wanted their base granola with just cranberries, then a signal would be sent, the granola, and then only the cranberry wheels would turn. This would dispense them into that mixing and final dispensing subsystem to be mixed later. And basically, how it was is for the granola, one full rotation of the wheel would be one serving of granola, whereas for each of the ingredients, one quarter turn would be one serving for each of the mix-in ingredients. These would then be sent down a funnel and put into the mixing and final subsystem, which was the mixing and dispensing subsystem. Then that paddle will mix all these ingredients together into one homogeneous mixture, which would then be put in that mixing bowl. The actuator would then push that plate under the mixing bowl so that the mixture could then fall into the final dispensing system, which is just a clear box with a lever on it. The customer could then see that the granola is ready, put a bag under that dispensing system, pull the lever, and the granola would be poured into the bag, which they could then take to the front of the store, pay for, and be on their way with their custom granola. I hope this answered any questions anyone may have, and I hope you enjoyed our project.